Devin is my wife. She's amazing. She's a gardener. She's a cook. She's a mom, of course. We've been married for 10 years. She is my partner in everything. We did Costa Rica together. It was a total 50-50 thing, and it was hard, and she pulled through. She knows just about everything there is to know about plant life. Devin is an amazing cook. She's an amazing gardener. She's an amazing mom. Devin is the one who works the hardest to make this place look great, and she always has. Devin was the reason we had amazing success in Costa Rica because she helped make it beautiful. So we have two girls, Kira and Juniper. Kira just turned 16. She is amazingly talented. I have another girl, Juniper. Juniper is 9.5. Juniper is into everything. Juniper's a stunt girl. A lot of the toys that get built for Juniper, even though that's really unfair to her sister. My girls are great. They're super sweet. They're both really funny. Raising kids in Costa Rica was a little bit different. We had to learn the language. It was an adjustment, but that was kind of whole part of the deal, right? The whole deal was to get out of your skin, be in a place where you have to learn a new culture, learn a new way of life, learn a new environment. Devin and I felt that kind of knowledge that sticks with you for forever helps shape you when you're a kid. So it was really important that we did that. Costa Rica was amazing. We had a great time there, but we knew it was time to get back to the States. So this time we packed our bags and came to Oregon. Oregon is fantastic. We're in a little town called Philomath. We bought a house here. It's super sweet. It's a great neighborhood for kids. Our kids are now 9 and 16, two daughters. Devin and I are raising them now in small town America. This is not Costa Rica. So now we're back in the States. We're back in regular schools and regular schedules and sidewalks and friends and birthday parties and a lot of the things that we didn't have access to in Costa Rica. It's an adjustment, but part of that adjustment is what's made our kids who they are and as tough as they are. They can kind of go with the swing of things. So follow us
on this incredible journey.
Of what?
Building our home.
Right. Let me try. Let me try. Let me
I'm better at this than
Let me
you
try.
are.
No, you're not. No, you're not. So follow us on this incredible journey. This journey to imagination and
Follow us as we...
So follow us on this journey as we improve our lives, doing really creative things. We'll teach you a thing or two, I hope. Stick around. Stick around.
I'm